Hello all, today in this video I am going to provide details regarding a demo video of making a regression model, that is decision tree regression model. Here we are using decision tree as a regression rather than classifier model. Already with the same data set and with the same code we have worked with some other machine learning algorithm, which is logistic regression algorithm, and now we are going to work with the decision tree regression algorithm. For that we are choosing the crop data set, which is having both categorical data and also numerical data. Why we are choosing regression algorithm? Because mostly when we working with this classification work, it will work only with categorical data or numerical data. In that case we have to convert this categorical data to numerical data, but while using this regression algorithms, that is no need to convert this categorical data to numerical data. So initially we are loading the data set and the library which we needed, and then we are making the pre-processing of the pre-processing process by using the label encoder, and then we are displaying the heat map of the data set which we are using, and also we are displaying the production area and crop values. This is in this data set we are just displaying the production area and crop values to just check how many crops is there in this data set. And also here from this data set, this yield value we will be choosing as the y variable, and other than that everything will be chosen as the x variable. Now you can notice that nearly it is having more than uh, if 54 crops are found. Generally if you see means there will be 10 to 5 to 10, but here it is having nearly 54 crop yields. So we are then declaring the x value and y value. As I said, the yield value is taken as the y variable, and the other variables other than yield is taken as the x variable. And then we are getting the dummies from x, and then they are splitting our model by using the train test split function, and splitting the values into x train, x test, y train and y test by using a test size of 0.2, that is 20% for testing will be chosen and the remaining will be chosen for training. And then linear regression model we are defining. Already this linear regression model, you can see that it is given in the previous demo video, so you can find over that. From there we got nearly an accuracy of training accuracy of 83.94 and testing accuracy of 85.03. You may know that for a better model, the testing accuracy should only have better than the training model. So in that case, linear regression is the best model. Then in this demo, we are going to work with the decision tree model. So decision tree model, for that we are importing the library which we are needed for that, and then calling the decision tree library, and then or training the data decision tree regressor by using the fit function, and testing the decision tree regressor by using the predict function. And then we are getting the values of accuracy, MSE and R2 square, and also we are going to display the training accuracy and also the testing accuracy. Here you can notice that when compared to training accuracy, testing accuracy is less, but training accuracy is 100%. This shows that though the training accuracy is 100%, this model is not efficient. Since but when compared to logistic regression it is good, but separately if we see means decision tree is not efficient. Since for a better model, you may know that training accuracy should be same as the testing accuracy, or else it should be less than testing accuracy. Here it's not, so when compared to decision tree only, it's not a good model. So then I said that in the previous video, if you are following our channel means you may know that we will make some comparison of the different algorithms. So we have made a comparison of the logistic regression and decision tree algorithm by using an loop. For that, within the loop we are calling the models which we are declared, which is the decision linear regression and the decision tree regression. And then we are going to display the values of accuracy, minimum square error, and R2 score. And then we are going to display everything in a table. In the table, the highest model, which is the the better model will be shown in green color, and the least model will be shown in red color. Here, since we are having only two models, the two colors we can see. Every time we will see in two colors, but here, since only two model, the two colors, the table is filled with colors. By this, you can just conclude that when compared to linear regression, the decision tree is providing better results in both, in terms of accuracy, in terms of mean square error, and also in terms of R2 square. So this is the code for decision tree and regressor and linear regression. In the next video, with the same data set, we will going to work with random forest algorithm. Thank you.